Prime Minister Modi has underlined the importance of technology reforms and financial innovation in shaping India's future. Speaking at the first post-budget webinar for the 2026-27 series, the Prime Minister laid out his vision for a Viksit Bharat or developed India by 2047. DD India's Rahul Upadhyay brings us more.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the country is riding on the reform express with government simplifying processes, improved ease of doing business and expanding technology-led governance. He emphasized that the focus must not be limited to policy intent only, but also on delivery excellence to maintain this momentum. Addressing a post-budget webinar on technology reforms and finance for Viksit Bharat through video conferencing, PM Modi said reforms should be evaluated not by announcements but by their impact on the ground.
इस मोमेंटम को बनाए रखने के लिए हमें ना केवल पॉलिसी इंटेंट पर ध्यान देना है, बल्कि डिलीवरी एक्सीलेंस पर भी फोकस करना है। रिफॉर्म्स का मूल्यांकन घोषणा से नहीं, बल्कि जमीनी स्तर पर उनके प्रभाव से होना चाहिए।
Emphasizing that the national budget is not just a trading document but a long-term policy roadmap, PM Modi called for collective effort to realize the goal of a developed India by 2047. He highlighted India's extraordinary resilience over the decades, stressing that progress has been driven by conviction-led reforms, not by chance.
पिछले एक दशक में भारत ने असाधारण रेजिलियंस दिखाई है और ये संयोग से नहीं आई है। हमारी रेजिलियंस कन्विक्शन ड्रिवन रिफॉर्म्स की देन है। हमने प्रोसेसेस को सरल किया है, ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस को बेहतर बनाया है, टेक्नोलॉजी लेड गवर्नेंस का विस्तार किया है, इंस्टीट्यूशंस को मजबूत किया है और आज भी ये देश रिफॉर्म एक्सप्रेस पर सवार है।
The Prime Minister said the effectiveness of the budget must be measured through tangible outcomes, expanding infrastructure, simplifying credit flow, improving ease of doing business, and ensuring transparency in governance. He added that these reforms should make citizens' lives easier while creating new opportunities. With technology and finance at the core of reforms, the Prime Minister's message sets the tone for India's journey towards becoming a developed nation in the next 2 decades. Rahul Upadhyay's report for DD India.